Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to change the battery on this key fob here. Inside we will find a CR1620 battery. This fob was used on the Mazda MX-5 Miata, specifically from 2006 to 2015. So if you have this key, just follow along. I'm going to grab a flathead screwdriver, and right on the inside where the key came from, you'll see a little separation between the pieces of plastic. You can see the light reflecting off of it there. If you go ahead and hold this top part, that won't move. Hold it securely and push up, and we can see this whole piece of plastic is starting to come out. Just push up, and once you have a bit of separation on the bottom, you can use your screwdriver to put it in, rotate, and make some more separation, enough that we can remove it with our fingers. Put that down for now. Here is our 1620 battery, and it's in there pretty solidly. You can't take it out with your fingers, so we're going to enlist the help of a little precision screwdriver. You can get these for just a couple bucks online from Amazon. I'll give you a link if you want to get one of these tools. If you needed to, you could use a pen. It's a bit more difficult, or just another thin object that can fit right into this corner here. If you can see, there's a little arrow on the bottom right corner with the key facing down. Bottom right corner. We're going to insert a tool in between the battery and the plastic, push it down to the bottom, and just sort of rock and pry until the battery pops out. Okay, once more, if I can put that back in. Bottom right corner, your tool. Push it and rock till you catch the edge of the battery and it pops out. Get a brand new 1620 and come and replace it. Make sure that the side with the brand information and the battery information goes down. That's the positive side. That goes down like so. And if you slide it up first, letting the top part get into its place where this metal is, and then just push on the bottom, you'll see it slides right in, back in its place, and you can reattach this other piece of plastic. Make sure it all lines up, and you are good to go. Your battery is fresh, and you're ready to go for a drive. So thank you so much for watching.